Now, many news agencies called it a brutal takedown of Prince Harry and Meghan Markle. Do you agree? I'm talking about Vanity Fair magazine's recent article, which analyzed the last 5 years of Prince Harry and Meghan Markle since they left the royal family. The article is read by millions of people around the world. We know Vanity Fair is very, very popular magazine. It has got a certain level of credibility. People trust these sources. So definitely it is going to cause a huge negative impact. The magazine talks about Netflix. It talks about Spotify and all of these other projects of Harry and Meghan that have failed to take off. Harry's Spare and their documentary Harry and Meghan are the only two projects that sort of made it, according to this article, and simply because Harry and Meghan were talking about the British royal family. But since they stopped talking about the royal family, all their projects have gone down spiral. Oh my goodness. It tells us how staff at Netflix and Spotify found it very difficult to work with Harry and Meghan. They are telling us that in fact Harry and Meghan, when they arrived at Netflix and Spotify, they were clueless. They had these ideas that they couldn't even put together, and employees were the ones doing all the work, piecing up things and just spoon-feeding Harry and Meghan, which is a shame really, because Meghan Markle has always told us she was an actress. She went to university, got these degrees, but she couldn't put this knowledge to pen and paper. I won't blame Prince Harry because we all know Prince Harry's educational background. But this article here, oh my goodness, you could say it is very timely with what is going on in the world of Prince Harry and Meghan Markle. Now, it talks about many employees in Archewell and where else seeking therapy because they were stressed. Working under Meghan and Harry. And this sort of explains why we see a high turnover. I mean, employees leaving days after signing contracts with Archewell. And also, it tells us why Meghan Markle couldn't find a CEO to hire. And she had to become her own CEO because everybody else was not willing to come on board. This is a shame. Now, this article is just reaffirming what everybody else has been talking about all along. Meghan Markle wanting to trademark the whole of Santa Barbara. Remember the American Riviera Orchard name? Apparently, this is a name that they used to call Santa Barbara, where Meghan Markle and Prince Harry live. She wanted to trademark that and make it her own. That didn't age well because she wasn't given that trademark. But this whole article highlights a Harry and Meghan who all of those years since they left the royal family have been not only controversial but very inconsistent in their messages, very unprofessional, not following through things, not very collaborative. Leave your thoughts in the comments section below and stay subscribed here at Francis Page Media.